Yeah, it's Airsoft Wolverines. Here's Airsoft.com if you guys are ever looking for it. And I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of the gun that, okay, I will give you this. GR16 R4 SPC gunmetal. It's tactical rails. It's not like a M4, it's like more like a M4-A1. Let me show you some alternate views. Like this one. See, this side's really cool because you can like zoom in on any part. And there's the chamber. So even when you're this close, you can zoom in even more. Like you can zoom in on the hop up, which is green. Here's the ruse. And the front side now. Then the opposite side. So that side, and then that side, that side, that side, that side. So yeah, I have no idea when I'm going to get this, but this will be the gun. It's pretty good on air rattle. Oh, yeah, it's pretty nice. No idea when I'm going to get it, but 360 FPS, 450 rounds. I'll be using probably 0.12 gram on this. Yep. Go check out airauto.com. Like, you can find so much stuff. I mean, like, even look at like, here's some of the sidebar stuff. There's an AUG bar that they have, a P90 with long barrel. They have other P90s. CQB M4. A different AUG bar. It looks like it's from the future. And like an M16. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys airauto.com for one. And then that. So about to go upload some videos, so see you guys later.